That's her pickle. She got a pickle.
Yeah,
Big old
pickle
pickle. Oh my God. It's like an alien creature.
It's her new favorite thing.
Is it a good pickle?
Yeah.
Emmy?
Gonna want another pickle someday?
Here, you want some water now?
Yeah. Maybe one day you'll try a sea slug.
Oh, there we go. Oh, back to the pickle. Who needs a pacifier when you got a pickle?
Oh, that's right. What we need is a pickle flavored pacifier.
It'll be interesting to see what happens.
Blah. Blah. How can you touch that yucky thing? You can get hours of enjoyment out of one pickle.
I'm sure the pediatrician would have a fit.
She's developing her taste buds.
Oh. Now give her a swig of your tea. Did you get enough soda, Maddie?
You want some more?